Hi there everyone, welcome back to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program using Microsoft Visual FoxPro that will ask the user to give three numbers, and then our program will compute the average of the three given numbers. Before we continue guys, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here in our form, so we have here the title of our form is average of three numbers in Visual FoxPro. And then I have four labels: enter first value, enter second value, enter third value, and then the average. And then we have also here for text box 1 for the value, text box 2 for the second value, text box 3 for the third value, and then for the average we are assigning text box 4. Now here we have also three buttons: calculate, clear, and quit. Let us go with the quit calculate button first. So we have here variable a equals val. This form takes 1 point value. So the val function in Visual FoxPro, we will convert or text box 1 into numerical value. The same thing with variable b in text box 2 and variable c in text box 3. And then to solve for the average, I'm just use this variable that I declare, average underscore value equals open and close parentheses a plus b plus c divide by 3, because we have just three values. And then text box 4, we are using this command, text form text for that value round average underscore value comma 2. The round is a function in Microsoft Visual FoxPro that we can run off into several decimal places. In this case, I'm just run off with 2 decimal places. Okay, so let us close, and then let us go with the second button, that is clear. The purpose of the button is that it allows us to clear all the entries or values in text box 1, text box 2, text box 3, and text box 4. In text box 4, I just put in the property window read only. So whatever the value is, it cannot be modified, no? So read only in the properties window, no? So let us go here. Read only, the property is true, no? So and then set focus in text box 1. What we are trying to do is to go the cursor to text box 1, no? To focus. And then for the last button, the quit button, we simply write this command, this form, the current form, release. Okay, so don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our program, average of three numbers in Microsoft Visual FoxPro. Okay, so let us play. Enter first value, let's say we have 34.45. Second value we have 78.34, and then the third value, let's say we have 12.2. So calculate button, we click the calculate button, we have here 41.73. Now let us verify guys if our program performs the calculation correctly. So let us go here in our calculator. We do it. So we have here our calculator. I try to move on below. Let's say 34.45 plus 78.34 plus 12.4 equals 125.19 divided by 3. Okay, so we have the same result, 41.73. Perfect. Now let us click the clear button. Okay, and then we assign a new set of value, let's say 89.5, and then we have here 57, and then the other value is 90.34. Calculate, we have 78.95. Okay, let us do it again manually. The first value is 89.5, plus 57 plus 90.34 equals 236.84 divided by 3. We have 78.94. So round off by the nearest tens, we have here 95. So our program is performing perfectly in the computation of average of 3 numbers in Visual FoxPro. Okay, so when we click the quit button, we terminate our program. In this tutorial video, this is the end of our tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.